When we designed Soundframe, we created the ability to integrate high-performance audio into any room, concealed within a frame. Using the same driver technology as our most popular speakers, Soundframe delivers high-fidelity audio that blends into its surroundings. It can be hung both vertically and horizontally. Soundframe is available in 3 distinct models: Rectangular Soundframe 1, Panoramic Soundframe 2, or Square Soundframe 3. Every Soundframe model is available with a high gloss black or white lacquered frame. You can also choose on-wall and in-wall variations. Each Soundframe comes with a speaker, frame, and matching grille as standard. We know your home is an expression of your personality, so we've created a collection of grilles to fit your space. You can accessorize your Soundframe by purchasing an additional grille from our library of block colours, scenic photographs, inspiring artwork, or iconic performing artists, printed on our high-quality interchangeable grilles. Or you can make Soundframe truly personal by adding your own photos using our bespoke grille ordering service. Of course, we knew that framed pictures may not fit into your space, so we've developed frameless grilles as an optional extra to turn Soundframe into a seamless canvas. Our library image, block colour and bespoke grilles are available in the frameless option. We designed Soundframe as a whole range of products, enabling unparalleled customization and high performance audio to make a speaker system part of your decor.